Jen and Reviews here, and let me tell you why you may want to consider to get this bodysuit by Avidlove. This is a long sleeve, it's a mesh. Mine is color dark purple, and I just love the color, especially towards the end of the year for winter, for fall. It's so beautiful, and it's also double line. So as you can see here, it has the mesh, and it has this part inside of the t-shirt, of the bodysuit. It has a square neck, as you can see here, so you can match it with the favorite accessories, and you can also dress it up with a jacket. This is how it looks in the back, and it has two buttons that you zip in between the legs. I love it because it's comfortable, it's breathable. It just stick to my skin, and it doesn't make me feel uncomfortable. It doesn't press or anything like that. So I like it also because I can wear it with jeans, with skirts, with shorts, with my heels. It's just beautiful. And I like it because I can use it for so many occasions. I hope you check it out. They have different colors. And of course, this is the beauty by Avid Love.